Hello, we present DocDB, a cost-effective LLM-powered database for unstructured document analysis. We demonstrate a real-life scenario, showing that DocDB allows users to analyze the document accurately and affordably. Users are required to upload a dataset consisting of a set of documents and an SQL-like query that specifies some attributes and the combinations of filters. The LLM-powered system then conducts a structured analysis because LLMs are very effective in extracting attributes from documents. However, while LLMs excel at attribute extraction, their high computational costs and latency make extraction operations the primary bottleneck. Therefore, the key optimization objective is to minimize LLM extraction costs. To achieve this, DocDB uses an index to efficiently locate text segments with target attributes, feeding only relevant chunks to LLMs for extraction and reducing input tokens. Based on the observation that extraction costs vary across attributes and documents, existing systems cannot achieve this goal well because they always treat all documents with a single query plan. DocDB instead produces an instance-optimized query execution to order the filter for each document, significantly lowering the frequency of attribute extraction. Next, we will show the framework of DocDB. From input to target, three key components need to be passed through. Initially, given a document set, DocDB first creates a document-level index by extracting key sentences, encoding them into embeddings, and indexing them. It then segments the document, encodes each segment, and builds a segment-level index. In the next step, given a query, DocDB first retrieves relevant documents using the document-level index. Subsequently, DocDB identifies relevant segments via the evidence collected by the LLMs and the segment-level index. In the final step, DocDB employs an instance-optimized query execution strategy that interleaves attribute extraction with analytical operations, such as filter or join. Specifically, for different combinations of filters, such as conjunction, disjunction, or a mix of both, DocDB takes the number of input tokens for LLMs and the selectivity of the filters into account and then establishes a priority scoring model to compute the optimal filter order. Meanwhile, DocDB optimizes the classical predicate pushdown strategy to a join transformation technique, which transforms join operations into filter operations to further minimize the execution cost. It then selects two tables to join based on the cost model, executing the first join before determining the next. This left-deep iterative process continues until all joins are completed. In this video, we will demonstrate how DocDB analyzes the user-uploaded documents. Firstly, the user can provide a wide variety of types of documents. Then, the user can click the plus button to upload new documents, and she is also allowed to preview the documents before uploading. DocDB supports single-table query and join query. For a single-table query, the user needs to write an SQL-like query that specifies some attributes and the combinations of filters. She can also write prompts for subsequent extraction. DocDB then automatically generates a table with the left side showing the document set extracted from the index and the right side presenting the relevant source segments about the selected attributes. Moreover, the user can select the LLM model and specify the proportion of the sampled subset of documents. Once clicking on Start, DocDB begins to extract different attributes for analysis based on the instance-specific query plans as below. The user can view the optimal query plan in the interface. Based on the filters in the Where clause, DocDB first generates an expression tree for each document, where each leaf node corresponds to a filter and each non-leaf node denotes a conjunction or disjunction of its children. By hovering over nodes, the user can view each filter's condition, token cost, and selectivity. DocDB then uses these statistics to compute the optimal execution order. Specifically, purple leaf nodes take priority over blue ones, while red non-leaf nodes are executed before yellow ones. After calculation, the box above will display the optimal execution order of the filters. By clicking on the arrow, the user can view the optimal execution order along with the expression tree for different documents. As for the join query, the user needs to write a query with multiple tables to perform join operations. After reconfiguring settings and clicking on Start, DocDB will automatically produce query plans. The user can click on Join Operation nodes to explore the detailed join optimization process. DocDB first selects a table to apply filter pushdown and extracts its join attribute values to generate an IN filter for the other table. The right side of the interface shows the result. The user can view the critical statistics collected during the execution process. The central subplot shows extraction accuracy, total cost, and the number of LLM calls. The line chart below visualizes the cost comparison between the optimized sequence and the original order. The right subplot illustrates the distribution of document types extracted by DocDB, while the left tracks the execution frequency and time of filter, join, and reorder operations. Users are also able to view from which document the attribute is extracted exactly by clicking on the corresponding attribute in the result list. Afterward, users can download the dataset with extracted attribute values from DocDB. In this video, we introduce DocDB, a cost-effective LLM-powered database for unstructured document analysis. We demonstrate a real-life scenario, showing that DocDB allows users to analyze the document accurately and affordably.